Now, Acorns is great for beginner investors. The account minimum is $0, and you can invest as little as $5 with fractional shares, like we just talked about. Now, fractional shares means that you can invest with a dollar amount rather than having to buy full shares of any funds or ETFs or individual stocks, and it's a beautiful thing. Now, they have a thing called roundup feature, which automatically invests spare change. So if you buy something for, let's say, $11.50, it'll round up to 12 bucks, and that 50 cents will go invested into your account. They also do have a cashback section for retailers. So if you shop at certain places with a debit card and have that money funneled through Acorns, you will actually get a cashback bonus. There are fees for using Acorns, anywhere from $3 to $9 a month, depending on the benefit version that you would like. The $3 version is going to be the most basic. Of course, the $9 one will be a little bit higher in functionality and features. But the truth be told, the $3 version gets you everything you need to get started. And if you want to go ahead and sign up with our link in the resources down below, you will get a $20 bonus. Next up here is going to be with Webull. Webull also has a zero fee per trade and zero account minimum. They have zero commission options trading as well. So if you're into options trading, it can save you quite a bit. You also do have advanced tools for investing research. So if you want to get a lot of information and not have to constantly get out of an app, this will do it for you. You also can earn high interest rates on uninvested cash. So if you have money just sitting around, kind of waiting to decide on what to invest in, you can at least earn some money on your money. Now, they also do paper trading, which is essentially practicing with fake money. So you can actually be putting money into different stocks or funds that you would like to see how it works out. It's a great way to kind of get started. And they do have promotions where you can get up to 70 free fractional shares. And yes, I know that sounds like a lot. And there are, of course, some tiers on how much you deposit to get those free shares. And I would definitely recommend checking it out if you want to earn something for at least trying out an app entirely free.